no rice, nothing like that. Bread. No bread. Peanut butter.
Yes, sir.
No bread, okay?
Yes, sir.
Throw, Ella, throw to them. Throw here, Ella.
Over there. Look at this. They're hungry. Oh, look at birdseed. Oh, really nice. Look at that one.
They're getting scared when I give them the food.
Oh, good job.
No, don't run, Ella. Don't run. Just throw it to them without running. No, come. There is seeds. Go give seeds to birdies. Come, Ella. Not wait. Let them come close. Ella, wait until they eat and then give some. Share with Noah. Good job.
Okay. We're at the park. We're walking. The kids are playing. Noah was playing with mud. I just washed his hands. We're here at the park, at Balboa Park.
Good job, guys.
So what are you gonna do? میای خونه یا داری میری پیش شین؟
Oh, look, more birds are coming. Good job, guys. Is it fun or? Ella, slow down, Areva, slow down. Good girl. Ari mi քիչ այտենց մոտիկ? Oh my God, Romina, you have to see what's happening here. Wow.
Babe, you don't know what she did.
Did you? I have it in video. Okay, Ella, it's not your, it's 16 plus. No, it's 18 plus. Is it 21 plus or 18 plus?
That should be 35 plus.
35 plus. Okay, Ella, put it down, Arevas, put it down.
Do you guys want to feed only these ones? Look, now there's 3 guys.
Go there, go feed the other ones. Ella, go feed the other ones, Ella. Why would you eat birdseed? Oh, is it doing again? Oh, it ran away? Oh my God, these things are... This tree is full of them.
There is a nest right there.
Yeah, I see one there and one there.
Yeah, Noah.
Oh, where is it? What is it?
Noah?
Oh, this poor little one, look. Look, that big one wants to do this little one. Did you see, Ella? There was a... No, the video later when we are home, not here. Look, look, you backed up. Now they're eating. Look, they're eating now. See, they're eating. Հեսա, այլա ջան, եկե ուտում են ծիտիկները։ Հեսա, այլա ջան, on the floor. Ջանա, on the floor. Oh, Hannah, big black crows.
I don't see.
Hannah, Arivers, don't you see them?
No, I don't see babies.
There is no baby, they are in the nest. Yes, the babies are in the nest, see?
But why are they not getting out?
They don't know how to fly, they have to learn. First they have to learn how to fly, and then they will get out. Their mommy is there checking, you know, keeping their baby safe.
This one?
Yeah, that one is a mommy too. This poor baby, good. Such a cutie pie.
That one's a mommy?
Yeah, it's a mommy.
When you get there, give me a forward.
That's a girl.
Yeah, that's what.
I love you, bye.
Look, Romina. Look at these ones. She's chasing. They're chasing each other. It's spring. They won't all do. It's a do season.
Hello. No means no.
Uh,
No means no. She's trying to tell you I don't want it.
oh my gosh.
She
What I
doesn't
don't
want
want,
to.
what I don't want, she's asking you. So they get scared. Just throw it in a nice way.
No, please record.
So they are like friendly.
Please record happenings for us.
You're so funny. It's all over in YouTube, I'm sure.
It's different when you're actually here. You're like, this is
Yeah.
my backyard. Tonight. All right, I'm on the mood.
Oh my gosh.
I have plans with my girlfriends. We go clubbing.
They communicate.
And tell your friends to not come too, you know? Yeah. Come on, keep it up.
Oh my god. She won't leave this poor birdie alone. And this bird doesn't want to fly away. I don't understand. Oh, finally it flew away. Look. I'm like, it doesn't want to fly away.
Some birds became big when crows have to they grow and grow and grow and grow.
Elanai, little birdies came and eat. Give them some more out of us.
Okay.
Thank you, Sirunachchik. You're such a kind girl. So there is sunflower seeds in there too.
Look.
Yeah. It's not for you, Arevas. Give it to them. Yeah.
Why?
It's not for you, Jana.
Oh, is it Samishka?
Yeah, it's Samichka. She's like, can I eat some of this food? Oh, it's such a bad time. The sun is right in front of me. I can't really get any.
I just know it's going to a big dog to be eaten.
So, what kind of birds are those black ones?
They crow.
But no, I thought that each bird goes with its own kind. They don't?
Each. Yeah, that's what I thought too. But this one looked different. But maybe it's the same kind. It just looks different a little. I don't know. It looked a little different. The color was lighter and it was tinier. That one was black and maybe this is their home. I don't know because there are nests here.
Yeah, there's no.
They are crows. I never
Are eating. They're yummy, mijoran.
Oh, I can see it right here. Ella, it's a.
I'm putting it here so they can eat too.
Yeah, but can you throw it to them actually? A little further? Yeah, oh my god. Look, they're fighting or what? No, they're contacting. Oh no, those are two guys fighting for a girl.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is another kind. Look, that black little one is the girl. Look how
yeah?
cute. Yeah, what are they though? Are they dogs too? No, right? There's something else.
No, these were something else. I forgot their name.
Wow, look, they're very different looking.
Max. Their name is Max.
Those are boys. Those are 2 boys and the rest are girls.
Yeah, Max. Oh, what is this one? Oh, that's a...
Ella, can you please throw them the food? It's all near to you and they're afraid to come near to you to eat. Yeah, thank you. Don't throw in the water, just throw a little.
Why?
Because it will sink in the water and they cannot eat.
Nakon. What's nakon?
Nakon means don't do. I just told him because he was gonna put something in his mouth. I said, don't put it in your mouth. Hi, mommy. You having fun?
That's it.
You're horrible.
Romina, last time my dad saw a dead bird.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Share. You guys share. Ella, share with him.
Good job, Ella Jan. See, they're coming to you now, Ella. Throw, Arevas. Good job.
Don't go to the water.
Throw. They're waiting, Ella. They can't get it. Throw a little far. Good job. They're not getting it? No.
They're not eating. The ducks are not eating. The little birds were eating it.
Look how beautiful that color, Romina. Look at that. It's purple? Oh, wow.
Noah.
It's okay. It's almost done. It's okay, Elajan. It's almost over. There is no more. It's okay.
Okay, let's go, Noah.
Yeah, let's just go. We are done feeding them. Oh, I want to take a photo of this purplish one. Oh my God. Stay there.
But no, all the males are like that. They're purple and green.
It's not a male, is it?
I thought the good-looking ones are males.
Oh,
Yeah, the good-looking ones.
maybe. Maybe. It's so beautiful.
No.